Good morning, children. Here I have listed the 50 opposite words or antonyms of. I am your English teacher Geeta Naik. This collection of opposite words are taken from your 1st standard to 7th standard English book. Okay? Children, do you know what is opposite word? Your answer may be correct. Opposite word means a word or a thing is entirely different from other. Now we shall see the opposite words one by one. Here I have set the suitable pictures to know the words properly. The first pair of opposite words are stand, sit. The boy is standing on the chair. The boy is sitting on the sofa. Here you should observe the pictures one after another respectively. Next, rich, poor. The bungalow looks rich. The small house looks poor. Come, go. The girl is coming and the boy is going. Up, down. The baby is climbing up and the lady is getting down. First, last. The boy sat in the first bench. Another boy sat in the last bench. Above, below. The bird is flying above the tree. The children are playing below the tree. Happy, sad. The girl looks happy. The boy and girl looks sad in the second picture. Early, late. The boy reached his school early. The boy was late to get his school bus. Good, bad. The boy is giving his bat to his friend. He is soothing his friend. It is good behavior. In the second picture, the boys are fighting each other. This is bad behavior. Smart, dull. The boy is smart, who is playing chess. The boy looks dull, who is sleeping on the chair. Friend, enemy. They are friends. The boys look like enemies in the second picture. Love, hate. Mother loves her child. The children hate each other. Short, long. The black skirt is too short and the blue skirt is too long. New, old. The purple colored frock is new. The grey colored frock is old. Soft, hard. Cotton is soft. The box is hard. Sweet, bitter. A plate full of sweets are there in the first picture. The glass full of juice is bitter. More, less. More balloons are there in the first picture. Less balloons are there in the second picture. Remember, forget. The first boy remembers everything. The boy forgets something in the second picture. Never, always. The boy is beating the dog. We never do it. The boy loves the dog very much. We always follow it. Near, far. The bungalow is near to us. The small hut is far away from us. Quit, remain. The girl quits the game. The second girl remains in the game. Brave, coward. The boy looks very brave who is climbing up the tree. The boy looks coward in the second picture. Fearful, fearless. The boy looks fearful. The young boy looks fearless. Plenty, few. We can see plenty of chocolates in the first picture. We can see a few of chocolates in the second picture. Same, different. The two flowers are same in color. The roses are different in color. Pass, fail. She has passed, but the man has failed. Quite loud. The sign says, be quiet. The students are speaking loudly. Accept, reject. The boy is accepting the gift. The girl is rejecting the gift. Thick, thin. The red book is thick. The second book is thin. Right, wrong. The boy is putting the waste in the dustbin. Is it right? Yes, right. The boy is throwing a peel on the road. It is wrong. Fast, slow. The boy is running fast. The second boy is running slowly. Beautiful, ugly. The waterfall looks beautiful. The bank of a river looks ugly. In, out. The ball is in the box. The ball is out of the box. Confident, nervous. We can see a confident girl in the first picture. In the second picture, we can see a nervous girl. Fake, real. iPhone for 1 rupee. It is fake news. You can get iPhone for its real price. It is real news. Difficult, easy. The first sum is difficult. The second sum is easy. Day, night. This first picture shows day. The second picture shows night. Increase, decrease. Our population is increasing. Illiteracy is decreasing in our country. Complete, incomplete. The boy completed his homework. The boy's homework is incomplete in the second picture. Experience, inexperience. The employees have good experience. He was inexperienced person in the second picture. Honor, dishonor. Barack Obama, former president of America, is receiving honor. In the second picture, the man is receiving dishonor. Next, like, dislike. She likes reading, but she dislikes fighting. Worthy, unworthy. Our soldiers are worthy to receive our honor. The thief is unworthy in society. Humble, proud. He looks very humble in the first picture. The man looks very proud in the second picture. Warm, cold. He sat in a warm room. She feels cold. Open, shut. The box is opened. The second one is shut. Start, finish. The runner starts his race. He finished his race. Strong, weak. The boy is strong. The boy looks weak in the second picture. Awake, asleep. The child awakes in the cradle. The boy is fast asleep. Cruel, merciful. The lion looks cruel. The calf looks merciful. Children, you have listened the 50 antonyms. Now answer me, what is the opposite word of beautiful? Tell me. Good. It is ugly. Beautiful, ugly. Now an activity. One should read the first word and other its opposite word. This is fair work for you. Do it well. Next, write down the 50 antonyms in your English notebook and practice. Thank you, children. Stay home, stay safe.